A blue monkey, with part of his brain exposed, took his finger and placed it in a lemon. The lemon screams and calls the monkey. Meanwhile, a mayonnaise monkey from Friends took a human finger and placed it in an owl. The owl is then placed in a cheese. His lover, also cheese, appears and screams. The owl sighs. 5 rats arrive. They transform into sexy women with satanic voices. They begin to chant. Meanwhile, the blue monkey and his lemon have been joined by a nerd from the King of Kong documentary.
Because I discovered in the 80s that you could buy a weightlifting glove which was fingerless, and I used it to play Marble Madness.
Before the monkey can kill the nerd, they are abducted by a UFO, piloted by Christ. They are anally probed, tormented by Dennis Hopper.
What are these? Don't say please, fuckhead!
And transformed into juggalos.
Well, I wouldn't kill him.
I'd just break his legs, arms, back, and face so he could sit in the hospital bed for the rest of his life sucking strawberry
jam out of straws.
That's right.
Meanwhile, the chanting women's chants grow louder. Their faces become scarier. The owl has broken free from his cheese, and the French male monkey has become yours truly.